Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a working mod menu to your Gorilla Tag copy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to join my Discord, link in the description, and you're going to want to go down to packages. This was made by Mr. Den, so credits to Mr. Den for making this, and you want to install this. Once you install, you want to import it to your thing, and there should be called a file called menus. So there's multiple menus you can do. You can do this one right here, which is pretty much like a cool other menu. It looks like this, which is pretty cool. You guys can get that one, or you guys can get the stupid one, which looks like this one. This is what I'm gonna be doing for this video, so make sure you guys follow along in this video. So once you're in your Unity project, you're gonna want to. So where it says missing font right here, so all these texts will say missing font. If there's no text in here, for the missing font, you're going to want to add a font. And then this is the next page, so you want to make this bigger. So you want to make it bigger, just like this. And then for these ones, like here, for these mods, I'm going to teach you how to do it. So this is disconnect. So I'm going to do long arms, just for example, guys. So you guys can do it with anything. So you guys can do long arms. So you want to do long arms right here. It mine will not look good because this is just a tutorial on how to make it work. So you're gonna want to do long arms, and then you just want to put your long arms where you guys want it to be. Then you're gonna go down to a function. This is where the players can click on the button with the Gorilla player hand. So make sure this from default, make sure it's Gorilla interactable. So if it pops up saying something like yes or no, click yes. Then this will make it so when you guys go in VR or you guys go in Unity and you click it, the player will get inbuilt in long arms. I'll also show you guys how to get onto your player model too. It made that work. So now what you want to do is in my Discord I will have in scripts there will be something called inside here there will be something called mods. So or something called like mods in there, so you guys want to get all those mods and import it. And there also be something called easy input. You guys have been needing that. And if you get any duplicates, just delete the duplicates. And then you want to go here. You want to add a Banana OS, which will also be in the script folder as well. There'll be a new one called Banana OS. Make it pressed. Then you're gonna drag in the material right here. Drag it out here, and then drag in the little mesh under. Now it's this object to toggle. You're gonna make a empty called mods, and then you're gonna make it not empty, so just like how I have mine, and then you're gonna make it whatever. So I did long arms, so I'm gonna drag a long arms in here. This long arms will be my Discord, to steal long arms. So now once I click go play, wait till it loads. And then I go in scene, and then I see this. I'm gonna click test press, and then my arms get bigger. And that is pretty much how. And then now, if you guys want it to be on your Gorilla, sorry, I forgot about that. You're gonna want to grab your menu. Then you're gonna want to perfectly put it on your Gorilla, just like this, just like this, like this. Then just bring it down to be like on the Gorilla. So then once you have it right there, all you're gonna do is you want to click on your Gorilla. Once you click on your Gorilla, you're gonna find your stupid. You're gonna go down to rig, body, shoulder L, upper L, hand, forearm, hand, and you're gonna put it inside there. Then you're gonna want to make it empty and name it open menu or menu manager. Actually, sorry guys, menu manager. Then you're gonna want to put on your menu manager, which will be in the Discord. And then whatever hand you're doing, so if this is your right hand, you're gonna change it to right hand. If it's your left hand, which is I'm doing my left hand, so you're gonna put the left hand. Then you're gonna do the objects. You're gonna go up here, find the here, and then you're drag it on there. And if you want like a button where you can enable it, and disable it, you're gonna want to turn off your mod menu. And then I'm just gonna do this for example, guys. And then you're just gonna duplicate. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and add a Banana OS menu. Make sure it's pressed. And then whatever text you did down here, you want to drag it up in here, or over material, sorry. And then you're gonna drag in the mesh right here. And then onto the toggle, you're gonna drag in the menu manager. By the way, make sure the menu manager is turned off so you don't get it when you start in game. And yeah, that's pretty much try to add a mod menu to your Grid copy. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and join the Discord link in the description because you're gonna be needing all that. Anyways, yeah, bye guys.